Hi, I'm Tom and this is Boundary Street Automotive. At Boundary Street Automotive, we are an authorised Repco service centre and we pride ourselves in being a female-friendly workshop. And what does female-friendly mean? It means that we explain the issues with your vehicle in a way that is easy for you to understand. Regardless of whether your vehicle is new, used or four-wheel drive, Boundary Street Automotive is the complete vehicle service centre. Come and see us at Boundary Street Automotive.